Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to bet on live events on 1xbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and we need to simply get into 1xbet.com. And we get into interface like this. Make sure you are logged into it. Now simply click on menu icon in the bottom right and we can see live option over here. Simply tap on that and we'll be able to see all of the live matches happening. You can simply choose any of them and it will be added on bet slip over here in the bottom. Simply tap on that. Now we need to simply click on place a bet here and make sure you have the deposited amount, and after that you can simply place a bet of live event. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.